not me looking like a Ninja Turtle. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Danielle, aka Mrs. Always Into Something, and today is something we are going to be getting into some things taking care of our skin that is on our face. Y'all know I am a big component of skincare. If you've been around for some time, I'm always doing something, using something, figuring out something to do to my skin to keep it bright, smooth, and feeling like its most youthful self at all times, no matter how old we getting, okay? All right, so today I'm going to be using a face mask. Now, this face mask is not just any face mask. It is a 3-hour minimum face mask. So you're supposed to leave the face mask on 3 to 4 hours, even up to overnight. So it's kind of wild because I have never used a face mask that I had to leave on that long. The longest I probably ever used the face mask was probably like 30 minutes. Like 30 minutes? So I'm very excited to see like what this face mask has in store. I'm very excited to see if, you know, it makes a big difference than all of the face masks that I have used over the years. So what face mask is it? Well, it's this face mask right here. The company is called Biodance, I believe. This is a Bio-Collagen Real Deep face mask, okay? Facial sheet mask, okay? And the real deep part is definitely gotta be real deep since it's 3 full hours of wear time. It's crazy, but we're gonna see what it do. We're gonna see if it's good. We are going to see if this is something that's going to stay in heavy rotation in my facial system of a program, right? But I'm extremely excited to check this out and see if it's good because y'all know collagen, that's my thing. I am a very, 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 very big component of using collagen, incorporating collagen, especially as you're getting older. Y'all know I take a collagen supplement orally every single day because, baby, what I tell y'all, after the age of 30, if you 30 or older and you're watching this, your collagen levels begin to drop at the age of 30. So get your collagen in, okay? So we're gonna see how this go because it is a collagen mask. We're gonna see if we're gonna have glass skin by the end of this. And I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I like this because y'all know if I like something, it stays in a very heavy rotation, okay? Very, very, very heavy rotation. But yes, but I think this product is going to be good, and there's 2 reasons why I think it is going to actually be good. Number 1, word on the street is that Korean skincare products, tippity top tier, okay? Toppest of the top tier, okay? That's what they be saying about Korean skincare, that Korean skincare is unmatched. So with that being said, this is a Korean skincare product. Say right down here, made in Korea. Got all the Korean address and information down here. So definitely, I'm trying to see what that do. There are so many different Korean skincare products that I want to try. And last time I checked, they skin be looking nice. So yeah. And the second reason that this might be the one is that I discovered this product through a very reputable person, okay? Somebody who is trustworthy on this internet. Y'all know I'm very, very, very big on buying things from people that you can trust are going to steer you in the right direction. I would never tell you to buy something that I would not spend my own money on, and I like to find people on the internet that I can trust the same. And the person's page that I seen this on was MsDanielleLauren. And if you know anything about MsDanielleLauren, she that girl, okay? She's definitely that girl. I will link her Instagram, her TikTok, and I don't know, I think she has a YouTube channel. I'll link all her information down in the description. Now, forewarning, your bank account not gonna like Danielle. Because my bank account can't stand her. However, all of the things that she's ever told me to buy, quality. So I don't think this is gonna be any different. So can't wait to try it Can't wait to check it out. Can't wait to see, okay? We gonna see together, all right? So let me open this thing up and we gonna do what we need to do. Here we go. So it looks like I'll just, ooh, not me dropping it. Oh, it's slippery. So I'm assuming this goes like this. We're just gonna go on and read no directions. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on like, I'm assuming that I have it on the right direction. Not me looking like a Ninja Turtle. I feel like I look like some like Ninja Turtle or superhero or something like that. Like Peacemaker. When Peacemaker beat up well, sorry, it's a new season. You gotta go watch it. Okay, here goes our first piece. And then we have the bottom piece. So naturally this is gonna go over. Not me, I look crazy. I look like a cereal, you know what. But this is what it looks like now that it is on. It feels good, it feels cool. It doesn't feel like, you know, too warm or tingly or anything like that. It just feels like you just put a sheet of ice, like light ice on your face. So yeah, but I'm gonna let this sit and I'm gonna come check in with you guys every hour because I'm gonna leave it on for the full like 4 hours. I think you're supposed to leave it on until the mask turns transparent. Yeah, I didn't read no instructions, but let me see. Yeah, it says remove the film of the top of the mask, align it with your eyes and attach it. Leave it on for at least 3 to 4 hours or until it turns transparent. So it's gonna go from this white to transparent. Again, real deep mask, okay? Is going to soak all of the goodness into your skin. So I'm feeling like we're gonna have glass skin for real after this. And then once it's transparent, you're just gonna carefully remove it. And it says it's available for daily use. I don't think I would do this daily because who got 3-4 hours a day to wear a face mask? But it says recommended to use at least once a week for the best results. So I'm gonna use this once a week for the next 4 weeks. So this is gonna be week 1. And y'all, we might have a winner because if this work, this gonna be, like I said, in heavy rotation. So for now, I'm about to go study. And I will see you guys in about an hour. Okay, little check-in. As you can see, it is already starting to turn a little bit transparent. I've had it on for 1 hour so far. So the forehead is pretty much almost see-through, almost all the way across. We still have this little piece right here, but then this is starting to turn, and then this little bottom right here. These aren't really supposed to go here. These little patches on my neck are the little eye patch pieces that were right here. I just put them on my chin because my chin was feeling a little rough. But yeah, we are 1 hour in. We still got some time left because all of this has to turn transparent. We have 2, maybe 3 hours to go. And I'm here for it. I'm still studying, so we got time. And then after I'm studying, I got multiple shows I could be watching. So yeah, and it doesn't hurt or anything. Like this part that's drying, it just feels very snug to my forehead now versus when I first put it on. When I first put it on, it felt cold, and now it's like, it feels like just snug. And then these parts, they still feel a little bit cool. Like it never feels too hot or anything. It just feels cool to the face, like a cooling system, I guess you could say. So yeah, so I am gonna go back to doing what I was doing, and I will be back in another hour so we can see how our face is progressing. Has another hour passed? It sure has. So now we are 2 hours into this face mask, and as you can see, it's drying more and more. It's becoming more transparent. My forehead is literally completely transparent now. Then you have this area, it's a little bit more transparent than it was all down here. And we still have a little bit to go here with the cheek area. there we have it. We are 2 hours into our 3 hour plus face mask, and it's not really that bad. When they say time is a construct, yeah, because I feel like I had this on for 10 minutes and it's been 2 hours. So 2 hours to go. And then we're gonna see what it's looking like. I don't wanna take it off until it's like completely transparent all the way around. I wanna get my coins worth this face mask. So I'll be back again in another hour. Okay, so now we have reached 3rd hour. We are at the 3 hour mark. Now we probably can take it off at this point, but I'm gonna leave it on up to that 4th hour because I want this right here on my cheek and this right here on this side of the cheek to dry, but for the most part everywhere else is dry. So I just want this part right here to dry a little bit more so that it's transparent like the rest of this, and then we're gonna take it off. So hour 3 going well, and it feels good. It doesn't feel like too tight. You know how sometimes masks, as they dry, they get super tight and it feels like your face is like, no, it doesn't feel like that. It feels really good. I mean, I know I have a mask on, but it's not so uncomfortable that I just am itching to take it off. No. So I am gonna leave it on that 4th hour. So I think I'm gonna go watch a little show, and I will see you in an hour. Okay, you guys, 4th hour, and as you can see, everything is dry. It already feels like, as I'm talking, it feels like it's already lifting, so it's definitely time to take it off. The little 2 patches that I had on my chin, they fell off, so it's definitely time to take them off, especially right here. I can feel it like lifting like very easily, so we're ready. I'm gonna just remove the mask. Okay, taking it off. Comes off very easily, does not hurt at all. Then we're gonna take this top piece off. Feels good, actually. Feels real good. And here we have it, final results. I feel like my skin feels a lot more soft and supple. Clearly, it looks a lot more shiny than when I started the video. I just went from washing my face to putting on the mask. You know, after you wash your face really good, I wash my face 3 times with whatever soap that I'm using. I'll do 1 wash, rinse off the soap, wash again, rinse off the soap, wash again, rinse off the soap, so that we can get all the dust and dirt and everything out of our face. And then I apply my moisturizer, my creams, my mask, whatever I'm gonna do after that. And so I did my face wash routine, and then I simply put the face mask on. Usually when you wash your face, you'll put on your moisturizer to get this look, but I feel like I do not need to apply any moisturizer at all right now. I feel like the mask did what it was supposed to do, and I would hope so, having to leave it on for 3 or 4 hours. But definitely the mask is giving quality. Okay, definitely giving quality. So for now, I rate this about 7.5, 8. I think it's an 8 on the would I purchase again scale. We at an 8 right now. I am going to be using the next 3 that I have left over the course of the next 3 weeks, because skincare products, they work the best when you regularly use them. Okay, so already this is what we're looking like on 1 use. So I would love to see what it's looking like after, you know, that 3-4 weeks of usage. And I have a feeling it's going to do what needs to be done, because like I said, my skin thus far feels so good and I like it. I like it, and it doesn't feel like crazy. You know how sometimes you'll use things and your skin feels extra crazy after? Like, it does not feel like that. I just feel like, I could go outside right now. I feel like I can just, if I was to wear makeup, I feel like I could just go straight into applying my makeup. So far, so good. So far, so good. So if you want to check this out, Also, if you want to check out the collagen that I actually use internally, because y'all know I said it before, I'm a big component of collagen, okay? Take your collagen, ladies, okay? Especially if you are 30 and above. Start your collagen regimen now and early, okay? This is the collagen that I use, that I take internally. It's called the Nature Target Collagen. I put it in my coffee, I put it in my tea, I put it in my smoothies, I put it in my yogurt. However, I have to get it into my food so that I can get it into my body. That's what I do. So this is the collagen I use internally, and this is the collagen for the next 3-4 weeks I'm gonna be using externally, okay? We trying to keep our skin skinning over here no matter what age we are, okay? We trying to look good. And I feel like this Biodance is gonna help us do the trick. So if you're interested in checking this out, or if you wanna check out the collagen that I take internally, I am going to link both products down in the description box. Check them out, try them out, and tell me what you think, because I think right now we're on the path to skin greatness, okay? So thank you so very much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and definitely make sure you subscribe, because if you subscribe, you're gonna stay up to date on the progress. And all right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye.